Saab has definitely transitioned away from a car maker to becoming really a premier Swedish defense business focused on manufacturing rocket shoulder launchers, submarines, surveillance systems, and training aircraft. And what's important about the business is, being a Swedish business, Sweden just recently joined NATO, and NATO nations and the European Union, by and large, in the last 6 or 12 months, have all committed to increasing their own defense spending. And so the timing is quite good for Saab, who has done a significant internal, structural, and cultural restructuring, leading to an improved supply chain. They work much more closely with customers on product development. They simplified their product count, and they really focus on this defense area of the world at a time when there's a significant and durable demand that'll be really carrying that space forward going from here. Saab is competing at a very high level. They're a very organized business that has a clear focus on what they're trying to produce at a time when the European Union, NATO nations included, are going to be generally looking inward to who can help rearm or refresh the armaments that they have. So Saab is sitting in a very strong competitive position that can compete with high quality products across high demand areas of defense. From a high level, profitability and success are pervasive goals across the business, and it leads to a firm-wide focus on profit and loss, with the focus on profit. But the business has done a nice job over time, really combining the best elements of American aerospace, which is commercial focus, with French engineering precision. So really getting that soft touch of customer focus, but also delighting that customer with a precise and very effective product at the end of the day.